Today I'm going to read to you some lines related to the topic of inner beauty by Ralph Waldo Emerson that come from this book, Being Beautiful, an inspiring anthology of wit and wisdom on what it means to be beautiful. So I'll go ahead and read the lines aloud to you now. Here it goes. The felicities of design in art or in works of nature are shadows or forerunners of that beauty which reaches its perfection in the human form. All men are its lovers. Wherever it goes, it creates joy and hilarity, and everything is permitted to it. It reaches its height in woman. A beautiful woman is a practical poet, taming her savage mate, planting tenderness, hope, and eloquence in all whom she approaches. Some favors of condition must go with it, since a certain serenity is essential, but we love its reproofs and superiorities. And yet, it is not beauty that inspires the deepest passion. Beauty without grace is the hook without the bait. Beauty without expression tires. The radiance of the human form, though sometimes astonishing, is only a burst of beauty for a few years or a few months at the perfection of youth, and in most rapidly declines. But we remain lovers of it, only transferring our interest to interior excellence. All high beauty has a moral element in it. Gross and obscure natures, however decorated, seem impure shambles. But character gives splendor to youth, and awe to wrinkled skin and gray hairs. An adorer of truth we cannot choose but obey, and the woman who has shared with us the moral sentiment, her locks must appear to us sublime. Thus there is a climbing scale of culture, from the first agreeable sensation which a sparkling gem or a scarlet stain affords the eye, up through fair outlines and details of the landscape, features of the human face and form, signs and tokens of thought and character in manners, up to the ineffable mysteries of the intellect. Thank you so much for listening.